Hello law aspirants. So here we are with our new video and our new series of vocabulary. You must be enjoying doing this vocabulary and the roots that you must be writing. So did you feel a change? I hope you have really felt a change, because change is part and parcel of human life. You know, change is natural process. It's a process which really makes you, molds you, shapes you, marshals you, and not only that, but it gives you a chance to participate in the curriculum of life. And this is this curriculum that we have for our new route. Let's begin with our route for today. Right? All set? Okay, be ready with your pen and paper to jot down the new route. The next route that we take for today is a very interesting route, that is plex. Plex means something that you weave, something that you join together, that is plex. Now plex, we have so many words. Before I turn to any of these words, in this case please mark the word complex. Complex is something that is joined together or woven together. It is a part of something which is linked together. That is the word complex. You know, life is a complex tale. It's complicated, it's difficult, it's intricate, something which will find it very difficult to do. Now when I have the synonym for this, the word intricate, it is something entangled. It is something which is joined together, woven, which creates a complexity in life. So it is something which is joined or woven together. Right? Complexion. We all have a complexion, whether it's wheatish, whether it's fair, whether it's black. This is God gifted. So it's just the set of the skin features which are woven together into one's facial expressions, facial appearance. See, note the usage of the preposition into. Into is used with movement and entrance, because these things, all these features join together and make this facial experience a beautiful one. This appearance which we have, we use it for our face specially to be noted. The word we use is visage. The visage is our aspect or the look that we have on our face. That is the complexion. Don't be perplexed, please. The roots are very simple. What does perplex means? Confused. Don't be confused. There are many words for this. This is a very, very important word of English. Please double underline it, put an asterisk on it, and I'll deal it in different forms, right? Let's me do that. The word perplex. Perplex means confused. Of course, you are not sure what to do. You are muddle-headed, in a state of chaotic or ambiguity. From the root ambi. What does ambi mean? Yes to. So in a state of ambiguity. It's a dubious or a doubtful situation. You're not sure what to do. You are in a state of confusion, lot of confusion handling in your mind, and you are somewhat in a fix. Please note the idiom. Yes, you are in a fix. This is, you are in such a state when you're not sure, in an unsure state of mind, that is perplexed. We have things which will join together, work together, move together, right? And the word multiplex, from the root multi. Multi means many, and plex, that means various types. So it's many theatres, many screens, many things working together. See, we had taken the word plex, which is weaving together, joined together. As I said, it's in collaboration, it is in harmony with the things. But because, see, life is a complicated tale, or there is a complexity among people related to various things. Your complexion doesn't decide what you are, because don't judge a book by its just the outer cover. Perplexed you don't have to be. Students are not perplexed when they have watched the vocabulary videos. Why? Because this gives them the strength, the power to do things. And multiplex is various theatres, various screens which are there, all there. Right? Let's move to the next word and next words linked with this. Duplex, from the root dup, that is two. Right? See how many roots we have done for two. We have done the root ambi, which means two. Ambi is two. We have done bi, that is two. We have done di, that is two. And we have done du, that is also 2. We have sometimes 2i, that is also 2. So the number of roots working for 2 is lot many, right? So 2 resins woven into a building, that's a duplex. 2 resins are merged together, merged into one, so that is a duplex. And go see, pronounce the word properly, do not make a mistake. The word Googolplex. Googolplex is the gogol of zeros woven into a number. How many zeros you merge together to make a number? That is the word here, the word used there. So it has to be correctly done. That is the word here. The person has to see to it that it has been properly and perfectly done, right? Please see to it that this is done in the proper order. Okay. Let's move to the next root for today. That's also very interesting root. That is the root multi. Multi means many. So multi means many. So multiplication or multiculturalism or multicolored or multilingual. This would be something which is in the sense of many. Right? So when we have multiple, it means many. So because see, you will be given a multiple choice. What does multiple choice mean? Yes, many choices, and out of that you have to choose the right answer. So multiple is many, multiplication is making it into many parts or many things. Multiculturalism, study of many cultures which are joined together and merged together into one. Multicolored is having various colors, and multilingual is the use of various languages. See the roots that work again here, that is the word lingual. Is language. See, I want to talk about linguistic ones because this is also a part not only in our one word but also in the roots here. We have linguistic, which is divided into phonetics and phonology. See, phonetics and phonology, it's a study of language. When we study language, how the words are pronounced, what is their pronunciation, how do words recall them, that is linguistic. And it is divided in two parts, that is I told you phonetics and phonology. Phonetics is the speech production, how the speech mechanism is worked, and phonology is different for every language. This is really interesting part because see, how do we pronounce the words? There are various words which have a phoneme sound in them, the smallest unit of a word, which helps you to understand that word thoroughly. Multimedia is many different types of media, many parts or many different types of media which are there. Multitude, please note this word. This is used for lot many people assembled together. Please see the synonym also for this word. The word multitude means congregation. With the root greg. What is greg meaning? Group. So congregation is a group of people. See the root go. See the root greg. This is together. And this is a group. So it's many people who are there assembled together, grouped together, working together. That is multitude. Multi-millionaire is somebody who possesses $1 million, somebody who has got a lot of money. That is multi-millionaire. Multinational is various nations which are together, working together. That is multinational. Multitask, a person is doing same task, various tasks at different times. You have to be a multitasker. Lawyers are multitaskers and people are because they perform various tasks together. Multivitamin is one capsule that works the role of various capsules, various vitamins are merged in it. And multiply is to make many things assemble together or join together, that is multiplying. So when we have the things in the form of multi, it would mean many, that is merged together in the form where there are many things together. See the root that we took first was, that is plex. That is weave together, multi, that is many that are assembled together, and we take up the next root. That is also an interesting and a very, very simple root. These roots, form the foundation, the base of understanding the words, and not only the words but also grasping the meaning of these words. The word medi, that is middle. The word medium is the middle of the two extremes, 2 points which are the merging point of something, that is medium. Is a very mediocre life. Please note this word, very, very important word, mediocre. Mediocre. I would do it in detail because it is an average thing. It's not something which is different, you know. Please note the foreign word for this. This is cliché. Ah, this opens vistas of words for you. Don't you remember? Yes, I hope you remember. The word is cliché or the word is banal. We use for this. This is a boring type of life, or it's a very mundane existence. It is not something which is interesting, something which catches your attention. It is threadbare. Please note the word. And it is humdrum. It is something, in simple words, ordinary. I hope you understood what is mediocre. Yes, you existing in between the two platforms, that is mediocre life. Medieval era, right? 14th and 15th century is the medieval era. That is the middle stage, the middle age of something. Mediterranean Sea, it's very famous. Now, Mediterranean, now what is the root existence of this word Mediterranean? Mediterranean is the sea which is in the middle of the land. It is in between land and sea, so it's called Mediterranean. Immediate effect is required. Now, when we have MEDI, that is as a middle way, so that you can have a neutral effect, you can have a thing in which there is a immediate effect, very quick effect, not acting in a middle way, but doing things in the right way. See, what is the basic meaning? You don't have to mug up the words. There's nothing like rote learning in English. Understand. Be an intermediate for the things. Be a mediator for the things. Try to sort out the things in your mind. It's very important you form a strong base for the words in this, that you are able to understand where did you start, right? So, it is very important that medi is used in the sense of middle, which is a middle juncture of the things. We have more words on this. That is the word media, right? Media is the, a very important contribution towards society, because they inform us about all the events. How do we know what is happening around the world? The things that are there around the world, the information sources, the middle of the event, everything else, the audience who learns about it, that is done by, yes, media. And be a mediator. Please note this word mediator very carefully and write the synonyms also for this in detail. The word mediator means a tout or a middleman. He acts as an arbitrator who tries to sort out the problem. There is a conflict or a fight between two people. He tries to sort out the problem and solve the conflict among them. That is a mediator. Intermediate, in between the two, that is two things that are there and you are hanging in between the two. So, it's a middle state between two things such as middle school, that is intermediate. And what about median? Yes, one must be remembering mean, mode, median. What is median? It's the number in the middle of the sequence of the numbers in the strip, that is median. Right? I hope you've jotted down all the roots for today thoroughly, carefully, meticulously and precisely. Right? We'll be coming up with new roots for tomorrow's class. Thank you, students.